Today, we'll talk about extraordinary trade setups with top gainer coins. We will do a full top-down analysis and discuss every single detail. Of course, we will keep using our best momentum trading strategy with our best trading view indicator. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's take a look at an extraordinary trade today with LQTY. This is a very interesting coin which was in the top 5 of the top gainers of the day. As usual, we will start with the weekly chart and keep going down as our classic top-down analysis. For this coin, the weekly chart was poor. There was not much to see in the weekly chart. All I can say was this coin made a weekly structure break, and after the deep pullback, it is trying to rally. What is fascinating with this coin is the daily chart. Let's check the daily. In the daily chart, price was fully filled by this gigantic daily imbalance, and price had this price level so well. It was like some secret power was holding this price level here. The buyers never letting it go. If you check the closer price action, you can notice that price was reacting to this inner imbalance with classic support and resistance fill-up area. And this gigantic upper imbalance gives me more ideas about the bias. It is like price was being called by this imbalance here. But what really matters is the momentum. Thanks to our best trading view indicator called ICT high time frame candles, we can identify the fill points as classical entry point. If you closely look at it, our indicator shows 4 imbalances here with 4 different time frames. As you can see in the yellow circle, the price taps the 4 imbalances at the same time. And that small tap causes a gigantic rally with the price. This coin is supercharged at this point. All thanks to our indicator, we can see all this in a single layout. Now our question remains the same. How can we trade this? The answer is in the lower time frames. Now we drop to the 5-minute time frame to see the price action in detail. This yellow circle where the price hits 4 high time frame imbalances, our critical fill point. We also have this extra 5-minute imbalance here boosting our coin even further. But what else do we have here? Notice this beautiful downtrend here. Imagine the liquidity gathered here. How many stop loss orders waits for us? And with the opposite side, we have this perfect uptrend liquidity. But uptrend liquidity is already cleared. So our asset not only uses the imbalances, but it also uses the liquidity as the fill. It is combined with imbalance and liquidity. Let's zoom in the chart here. We are still in the 5-minute time frame. Notice the small structure shift right here at this point, right after the price is supercharging by high time frame imbalances. As it creates this lovely inner low time frame imbalance, this is also the EQ point of premium and discount zone. Now this is a perfect 2R setup here. If you check the channel, I have published over 200 videos and we talked about over probably 500 trade examples, and most of them are very similar to this trade. I hope that this video clears all the questions in your mind and helps you to improve your day trading skills. Okay friends, this is it for the day. It is almost the weekend. Please have a very nice weekend. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.